Sanbonani, Sanbonani, welcome back to isiZulu with the Queen. Today I want us to learn how you introduce yourself ngesiZulu. The nice part is that I've got my two friends who are joining us to help us learn as we introduce ourselves. Okay, are you ready to meet our friends? Are you ready? If you're ready, give me a thumbs up, please. Okay, these are my friends. Ah, how cute. Okay, the one who is wearing a yellow t-shirt is Jabu, and then the one wearing a t-shirt that has green and white is Zora. Okay, so I want them to introduce themselves. They are going to say, "Hello, my name is Jabu." And as you can see, Jabu's words are already on the screen. Jabu, are you ready to tell us how you say, "Hello, my name is Jabu"? Okay? She's giving me a thumbs up, meaning she's ready. I hope at home you're also ready. If you are ready, give me a thumbs up. Okay, great. We are all ready. Okay, over to you, Jabu. Sawubona, igama lami nginguJabu. Oh, wow, that was beautiful. Please repeat for us. Sawubona, igama lami nginguJabu. Oh, I am so proud of you, Jabu. The way you introduced yourself, it's nice and simple and straight to the point. Okay, Zora, please introduce yourself. It's your turn. Sawubona, igama lami nginguzora. Oh, that was beautiful. Sure, you ladies are on fire. Please repeat for us, Zora. Sawubona, igama lami nginguzora. Beautiful introduction, ladies. Yo, at home, I want you to try it. We say sawubona, which means hello, and then we say igama lami ngingu. Then you say your name. Practice it. Say it. Okay, we're going to repeat it one more time, and then we will move on to the next part. Sawubona, igama lami ngingu. Then you say your name. Well done, ladies, for teaching us the first part. Now we want to learn how you say, "My surname is." Ladies, are you ready to teach us? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Okay, they say they're ready. And at home, are you ready to learn how to say, "My surname is"? If you are ready, also please give me a thumbs up. Okay, we are ready. Jabu, please start. Isibongo sami ngingowakwaFleury. Isibongo sami ngingowakwaFleury. Oh, Jabu, I love how you even repeated yourself. You are a good teacher. Okay, I want us to practice at home. Isibongo sami ngingowakwaFleury. Okay, beautiful. Now let's hear Zora. Zora, we want to find out what's your surname. Zora, you ready? Isibongo sami ngingowakwaZulu. Isibongo sami ngingowakwaZulu. How awesome was that? Sure, these ladies are on fire. Okay, I want us to practice together at home. Isibongo sami ngingowakwa Zulu. Isibongo sami ngingowakwa Zulu. Okay, Siabonga at home, thank you so much for learning the two sentences with us. We will continue with the rest of the video. Jabu and Zora are tired, bakhathele. They just want to lala. And then I'm hoping that they will vuga on time. And then we will continue because they still need to tell us how you say I learn at and I live at, because they told me they know how to say that. It does not end there. They also need to tell us who they live with. I can't wait. I am excited for our next lesson. If you enjoyed the lesson, please do comment. Don't forget to also check the YouTube, and you will enjoy and have a great time with us. See you next time. Bye.